everyone, today we're going to be opening Brick's Farm Edition. And today we have a special guest, Gary the Christmas tree. Before we open all the bricks, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, like, and comment. Let's start opening.
You open one and I'll open one. Okay, here. I got the tree again. Come on. Oh my god.
Okay.
I got the tree. What did you get?
I got a shovel.
Put
your rubbish in here, Pierre.
Okay. The trees are gonna be here, the tree section.
When did we have a section? Okay, where's yours? Still building it. This is mine. It's a dig thing. Okay, next. Now we have a wheelbarrow.
I forgot about those.
Okay, we'll put it up here because I don't know where else to put it.
Okay, you know what? Let's just put all the things there. I don't really know where to put it.
I don't know what this is. Okay. I got a purple carrot.
Oh, I know what this is.
Oh, it's kūmara. Okay, hold on.
Hey.
Yeah, kūmara.
My turn. We got something new.
Ooh.
It's for the pigs.
Okay, I heard you. You said it multiple times.
Because you didn't hear me.
I did. Okay.
Later throughout this video, we're gonna...
Next. Oh, I got a goat.
So cool.
Yeah.
Whoa.
I got a goat, guys. This doesn't look like a goat. It looks like a baby cow. So cute. We haven't got any animals yet. Only like
the goat.
A border collie. I think that's what it's called. But we got a pig. Peppa Pig.
Oh, it's a grown-up pig. Not that good.
There's a baby pig.
Yeah.
This is a pig. Wait.
Here's my rubbish.
That's so cute. Okay. Make sure to keep the names, okay?
I'm just putting it there.
Yeah. Next. Okay.
Oh my god, it's one of these things again. But this time it's potatoes.
Potatoes.
Paul, tell me. That's for the pigs though.
You guys can tell me what this is. I have actually no idea what it means. It is. Okay, so how do I place this? I know, I heard you.
Yes. Hey. Okay, we get it.
Boom.
Okay, that's
okay. The music stopped. Okay, and then I got some milk. And then
here's mine.
Water.
You serious? I'm getting so much of these.
It's find here. Okay, next. Oh, this one was like already lived. Anyways, I got that water thing again. We have a lot of doubles.
Because we have over 50 of them.
Yeah. True. Okay.
I told that to my best friend and he said, wow, you can get over doubles, you can get triples. And I think that's actually true.
Okay. Same.
What? Oh, this is even he said he was going to get triples.
This is an animal. I can see its ear poking out. I'm just gonna open it.
It might be like a dog.
Border collie thing. Oh, wait, no. It's a cow. It's Patrice, my sister. She's a cow. No, Well, you copy the words I say about Patrice. Okay.
It's not Patrice, it's you.
I got. Hold on. Calves. I don't. Okay, hold on. Let me show you. Yay. Baby cows.
Just say gay.
No.
I thought you said it.
Since when? Yeah.
No.
Okay. I think I got like compost. I thought it was like dog food or something. Water thing again.
Yes.
I want all the animals.
Pigs.
The animals are so cute.
They're better than the... Wait, let me... Oh, this. Wheat bags and bread. Wow. So cool.
At least you actually got something, Pierre. At least we got something new.
Okay, why do you have to finish my soul now? Talk.
There.
Because I have so much to do.
We got bread. So we have now opened all the bricks, and now I'm gonna be telling you the names of them. So
there's so much cow.
These three are the border collies. They're like a type of dog. These two are the adult cows. These, I don't know. I don't want to count. These are baby cows. And then we got chickens. Next we have, I think these are baby, I think horses, yeah. We got 4 adult pigs, 2 really cute baby pigs, and 3 people.
I gotta assemble this.
And next, I'm just gonna show you the ones I know. Avocado tree, kūmara, I think this is kūmara too, or carrots.
That's carrots.
This is potatoes, orange tree, avocado, wheelbarrow, blueberry tree?
It's a blueberry.
Apple tree, flowers,
Flower.
compost, potatoes again, water fountain thing,
Water churro.
and many, many more. There's actually a lot that we collected. So now we're gonna be opening the kit. We're not gonna make a part 2, luckily.
Yes.
Yeah, we removed it.
I wanna break.
Shout out to Tita Jane. Be
Shout out.
careful. But move those.
Ba, 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 ba.
Thank you, Tita Jane.
God, we've been here for like minutes and hours. When will we stop?
After about half an hour, we completed it. I made this by myself, everything inside. So cute. Then Pierre made all of this. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching me and Pierre create this bricks farm. It was a lot of fun doing it. Before we end the video, we wish you Merry Christmas. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, like, and comment. See you guys next time. Bye!